Hello everyone. Today we'll be going to the another problem that is the last problem of this week 0 problem set, which is tip calculator. Let us see what we are supposed to do. Okay, we are given a code. Okay, what will be the name of the file? Oh, okay, okay. Tip.py. Okay, let's just code tip.py and paste all the code that was given to me. To do. Okay, let's see what we are supposed to do. So whatever cost has to be paid by us for our meal, the 15% of that cost has to be given to the person who serves us the food. Okay, so this is basically the tip. So I am supposed to create a tip calculator where I'll be giving my cost of the meal, and uh, it will be giving me the amount that is 50%, 15% of the total amount I given to him, that code. Okay, this is the code. Well, we have written most of the tip calculator for you. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to implement two functions. Okay, these are the two functions. The dollars to float, okay, which should accept a string as input formatted as this, wherein each asterisk is a decimal digit. I don't know what to call this one. I think this is not the asterisk. Hash, this is the hash. Okay, wherein each hash is decimal digit. Remove the leading dollar and return the amount as float. Okay, so for the string will be formatted as this, so I have to ignore this dollar and convert this string to the float. For instance, given this is a string. Okay, so I am supposed to convert this 50 into the float. Okay, the other function is percent to float. Okay, which should accept a string as input formatted as this. Okay, so in this case, this is the money, and this is the percentage I am going to tip. I'm going to give tip of. Okay, so this percent, wherein this is a decimal integer. Remove the trailing percent. Okay, just ignore this one and return the percentage as float. For instance, given 15%, it should return 15. Okay, so one thing that I have to see, that I am removing this dollar and this percentage, and I'm not including it in anywhere. Okay, so because this was converted to this, only the number part. Okay, so first one is to convert dollar to float. Let me just copy this thing, and this is my format. Okay, so how we will be able to do that, since they were given us that D is equal to this money, and now I'm supposed to remove this first dollar. Okay, this is very easy, that we can use this function, maybe D is equal to D dot, I don't know, okay, so we can use string slicing from 1 to the end, till the end. It will slice my string, that 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 5 elements are there, and it will remove this one, and from starting from first index to the last index, it will give it to the D. Okay, so now it is clear to me that the remaining D can be converted to float without any type error. So D is equal, so return float conversion of D. Okay, so this is very much clear to us that this will be converted to this, and I will be converting this to the float. And if you are not sure how string slices works, then you can definitely search it on Google or anything you like. Okay, so our next function is to convert this p. It is given that p is equal to this. I'm supposed to remove this percentage, and I'll be using the same approach as I have used in the above function, from starting to the end, leaving the last one. So this is -1. So if you search for the list slices, then you will find that this is also the correct one to iterate over the first 0th index to the second last index. Okay, and in this case it will be iterating over this and leaving the last one for this code. Okay, so I'll be return float version of the p. Okay, should, for instance, given this float, I have to convert to float. Okay, let us see how much was the meal. $50. I'm just copying this because from my keyboard I cannot type the $sign, so I am supposed to copy this, and 15%. Okay, 15%, leave 750. Okay, this is $750. Okay, oh, I see. 15% was converted to this. Okay, are you seeing what they have done? They have returned this value divided by 100. So return float of this divided by 100. Now my answer will be perfect. How was the cost of the meal? $50, and tip was 15%. Now my answer is perfectly correct. I am checking my code with this. Oh, I just pasted it for the 2 times. Let's see. String slices are really good thing, and really very good thing for us in future problems and in any kind of problems in Python. So it is highly recommended by me to search for the string slices, strings and list slices. Any kind of slices is really very important for us to learn in perspective of Python or in any programming language. Okay, so this was all from my side in this video, and I'll see you next time.